Hey guys, welcome to Ciolaingo Coffee Company. My name is Nkatha Kimathi and I am the owner of this exciting brand new coffee shop in Manhattan. So today I'm going to show you how to flush the machine and get it ready for a coffee preparation. So I'll walk right over here to the machine. This machine, the brand name is Breville. It's very nice. It's cute. It's in my favorite red color. And as you can already see, the colors of the company are red and brown with a tad bit of the ball-up texture. Okay, so the first thing you do, of course, is hit here the power button. Once you press that, the machine comes on and these two lights start flashing for the filter size. So we already have the filter in. I put that in this morning. And then the next thing we do is come right over here and press the double cup. And then next what we do is we switch it over from standby to the steam section. And what this is doing is pulling up the water from the water tank and then working as a steamer, as you can see over here. So let it spin out for about 10 seconds. 9, and that's the 10th second, and then bring it over here, come all the way to the steamer section, and as you can see, it's steaming. Do that for 10 seconds. Once that is done, switch it over again. Sorry, that was a water portion. It gets a bit messy, so I'll just put in a cloth for a little bit. Here. Counting. And come out. So you can see that's our water filter back there. It was at maximum, but you keep doing this until all the water is back to nil. Then back to the water section. Again, 10 seconds. And then we switch it over to the steamer section. Right over there. So just wipe it a little bit. Make sure that it's not spilling all over. There we go. And then once again, switch it back. As you can see, the water level is decreasing. It's coming down. That's just sticking right in there. See it from a different angle. And then switch it back again to the steamer section, right over there. Let it do that, come out. And then once again we switch it to the water section. So I'll keep repeating this, I don't want the video to be too long, but that's how you flush the machine and get it ready for coffee preparation. So I'll pull it there and then I'll push it right back to standby. Just give it a little break. So that's it. Thank you so much for stepping in with us. Come visit our online store. It's www.ciolaingo.com. That's Ciolaingo. And we sell these jars of coffee, which is premium grade A Kenyan coffee for about $29.99. Thank you and have a great day.